as females are gonna learn to stop call the Mukkaz females them liar when them come out and call certain artists, producers or influencers name. So them in them DMs or them a deal with them or them did deal with them. Wanna stop calling people them liar because the men have proven over and over that it is true. Them sing the song them and tell we say them they like.
You say you want it, so no bother with too much balling, skin it out like Kyhighlah.
Man love Mukkaz. Like, me nah say them wife them and me nah say them take them serious, but there's something about the industry mattresses where them love, like they get off on it. Them come for the decent girl them in them 50s and 60s and 70s. When them done with them prime and done with the industry mattress them, they get off on knowing that 100 man did got it before. Me don't know what it is, me can't tell you because obviously it's not a male, but for some reason or the other them do prefer choosing the Mukkaz. And then with this a decent woman at them yard for the Mukkaz. So stop calling woman them liar when them come out, come talk them story and call them name and talk about them love attention. The man them telling her themselves, skin it out like Taveionn. The man literally, Taveionn run and jump and go up on OnlyFans go skin it out. And the man make one song within seconds, within minutes. So why would I say a lie the people them I tell? It's so cringe. Like, I do believe in being the best version of yourself and not partaking in certain things and sell certain things, but we believe that them are come for we in them 50s, 60s and 70s. Right now, in them prime are the Mukkaz them they want because they get off on it for some reason or the other. They really do enjoy dealing with females where them no 100 man go there already. Dexter Daps, all of them tell we, they literally sing it in their songs. Them love the Mukkaz them, so why not call the people them liar? Cause them account talk, make them talk after them story, them deal with them, and them show it over and over and over and over. Don't take it lightly. Say a true or lie is true.
It's Tracy, aka Skillibeng mom, wanted to know if I really fucked her son.
Rasclat, Skillibeng.
Yes.
Let me know if it's only Jackie and popcorn alone, you slam.
What song is that? The old artist in the ever
Answer my trash.
about 20 artists.
20 artists and you're proud of that. What is wrong with you? You need to come off the bumbleclad internet and one artist boy, I want to forget it too because I don't see why the whole on slam this one bumbleclad gyal. This a gyal that talk about say yo Skillibeng up and only fans go pay $100 just to get access to her. What is wrong with you no boy? To defeat the purpose of being a dancehall artist. Dancehall artist so can tap in her treat and get any girl anywhere in the world. You spend $100 just to get access to a dancehall bumbleclad group / dancehall mattress.
How much money should a guy make so you can feel comfortable? $1 million a month. I spent the last 15 Christmas by myself.
I have 15 more to spend by yourself. What is wrong with you? Are you serious or why? So like you're delusional. You need to come off the bumbleclad internet boy. You need a man to make $1 million a month. You know see why you didn't spend the last 15 Christmas by yourself and you have 15 more to spend by yourself. In fact, you're gonna spend your eternal life by yourself if you don't change that blood clot mentality. What is wrong with you?
And to touch on that, oh dear y'all, say I want more at the next girl life. Like, what make y'all think another girl is living a better life than me? What am I gonna think that she even live a better life than me? That is crazy. Like, she don't even want her own life. So how me for want it? And someone like comes, if somebody don't want something, why me for even want it? You know dumb? Are y'all dumb? How can I want something that she don't even want? Like, what part of her life could I want? Tell me. Maybe not gonna list out what part there is, but only tell me which part do you think me could I want? Which part of her life? Or which part do I want? Probably I wanna see it and want it, but must me know the real she. So me could never want her life. There's nothing, like not one part of her life I could want. Me love my life. I'm happy 95% of the time. I'm not depressed every 2 to 3 business days and I want off myself. Never that. Never. Want somebody's life. You know that's so crazy. I've never seen someone's life that I wanted.
So something important for you to highlight, for me to highlight, right? When him asked me that, I was like, huh? I was like, me shocked, you know, because me I say, me I try to understand. I was very, very shocked. However, him tell me say, if a teacher how to do it, and if I was in Jamaica, if I could go to his house and teach her how to oh fee and oh fee whatever, and he also wanted me to. Yes, three grown adults. It was consensual. Since you asked, and you asked, maybe our business, not our. It's my business to tell because I was a part of it, right? And you asked me. Me never come talk it because I didn't really have nothing to talk about, because at the end of the day, he never disrespect me. He never hold me down. He never force me to do what I don't want to do. We had a consensual thing. But my thing is that why you want to know? Where you really want to, why it's so important for you to know this? You could have literally just take my phone and call him. I said, my son girl named Kai. Who is she?
Mad girl gifted hands. I go tell you before me even go pop one of my Percocet them. Let me tell you this, mama pussy bumper rascal. You have peace. You're not no picnic. You're not no niece. You're not no sister. You're not nobody. It's you and your money. Have peace. Enjoy the luxury of fucking peace. You're not no baby a ball of your head. Missy girl, we have 6 picnic. Come and bumbo clot TikTok and have joy. I have blood clot joy. If twat selling is not for you, come out tight and go in a bumbleclad church, no man. Get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of your pussy clad self, man. Girl with all blood clad 13 picnic come on TikTok, play music, dance, have peace. Who never see the blood clad girl ever play music and show a little happiness and little, what the fuck is wrong with? What is wrong with you? You stress me now. You make me want pop a Percocet right now, girl. Bumbleclot. Jesus. Mighty. Me say if I know she a queenie, and then a Annie. If I know she a queenie, it come like queenie and do we have a blood clot baby where we know about and a she. It come like queenie and do we have a blood clot picnic where we never find out about. And a she. Cause she resemble every pussy clot signs and symptoms of queenie to pussy clot. Everything where queenie do this girl come per life come do as a little girl. You come out here with story time about your client them. I don't think you even think it over before you do it. Why would you come out here with your fucking clients? These are the people that's paying your bills. These are the fucking people that are helping you pay your bills. Keep your bumbleclad mouth closed and go get the money. Go get the money, ho. Go get the money. Go get bumbleclad. Girl, upset my spirit, man. Cha. The key word is go get the money. Focus on getting the fucking money. Focus. You're backpedaling in this fucking life, ho. You're backpedaling. We no care if them artists are what we spitting at them batty wall. If you give me 300,000 bossy batty wall wide open, make me spit. Hack. Two. Bumbleclad. Every day, you making money, you complain. Girl, when I make blood clot money, nah complain. You're making the money. Me not think she understand the point of selling pussy. The point of selling twat is go get the money. You're getting the money, correct? What the fuck else is your fucking problem, bro? What is your problem? We the people can't understand. Break it down for us. Let us understand what is your problem. What is your problem? If you seek attention on TikTok, there's many things to do to get it without all these nonsense story time that you have been giving us. There is many ways of getting it. TikTok is about creativity, personality. You could have the largest page on TikTok teaching these girls how to go up on the street and make money. You could have the largest blood to show you see our brain now connect, you know.
Because she couldn't be one of the madam lady them. On TikTok we come out and say, alright, on Friday night, me go teach you know how to do it. Alright, when you go up on the road, when you go back road, you try make one 50,000 or try make one 20,000 per night. And you throw one little partner. And you throw one little partner, you buy one little piece of land. And them something they you're supposed to teach the upcoming twat seller them. And them something they give a little school. Make them know, say, listen, when you sell fuck, you're not supposed to give your money to man. You're not supposed to spend per man. You're not supposed to, man, supposed to. My girl, God want to thump the girl in her blood clot face, you see. Sure. The girl give me a sign of depression this morning, bro. Me I tell you. Because when you get up in a good spirit, you know, one of the fucked up is thing, you know, when you go your bed and come on TikTok and you see the wrong thing, the first thing you click on is the wrong blood clot thing. You see one of the worst thing. I feel every day the first one, me see and it come like it fuck up my whole morning, bro. It come like me claim all of your negative energy where you have over there. Come, it way I'm feeling and my bone and my spirit. I say, girl, you irritate me now. And you're such a beautiful girl to be so fucking dumb. You're too beautiful to be so fucking dumb. Yeah, go through your phone and call out your client, them and talk them business. For what? You think when TikTok blood clot lockdown and hungry start feel blood clot hungry and none of the people them, which other artists are gonna trust you? When the artists them come on TikTok now and see ya do that to their friend and their brethren, even their enemy, who are gonna blood clot trust you now for call you? You now gonna have to go back around a back road. You have to go back around a back road because the whole of the man them are going to block you now because them are going to say you're unworthy, you're untrusted. You cannot be blood clot trusted because your bottom lip little bit and too nimble. They're going to see say you cannot be trusted. The first rules of being a pussy seller is make man trust you. The more them trust you, the more money you get out of them, you fucking idiot. The first rules is build that trust. Build a bond, build a blood clot trust. Make them feel safe with you. Make them feel like them secret is safe with you. All if I don't in a body, you push cucumber. When they're safe with you, that means that they will always be coming to you as a customer service. You understand? You have to make your fucking customer them feel safe. Who are going to want to trust you now when you come over here, come make your blood clot veneers be a problem and you start chat? Who are going to trust you? Who are going to fucking trust you? And then when people click live and talk the truth, or not act like people is bullying. Nobody is bullying you. We just say you chat too much. Give up the ghost now. We're tired. Your pussy clot chat too much. If selling twat is your problem, then retire. Retire. Fuck, man. Every other day, if I know you a queen here, Annie, me cook you little food, me can't go up on TikTok because every time, first of all, me can't watch Annie and eat at the same time because Annie just sick stomach to me. God forgive me for say something like that. Me cannot eat while I'm watching Annie video them. But I cannot. And me can't eat or watch Queenie video them. I cannot. Cause me know say the ball in a go start and a pussy bomber, mama pussy bomber, rascal, nose not and bugu. Nose not and bugu a go come out. You know how we have matter and bomber clot bugu in our yai. You know how we have blood clot bugu in our pussy clot nose. Bomber clot, man. Jesus. You give me headache, teeth, foot, pussy bomber, mama, pussy rascal, man. Me have to go pop it. Right now, is it? Me have a Mali somewhere. Me have got throw a Mali down in my throat with a Red Bull. Pussy clot, man. You stress me, girl. You stress me. You stress me. You're a beautiful girl. Oh, somebody life. Yeah, ball say your birthday come and you all by yourself. When you turn a twat seller, speaking from one blood clot twat seller to a next. When you decide that you want to be a twat seller in this lifetime, that means that all type of shit is going to come with that life. If you find a one man will take you serious, tell God thanks, cause what we're doing is unclean. I me say we. You act like you want a man for wife, yo. I love you, boo. And this and that and that. When you sign up for your job description, you know that heartache and heartbreak come with it. Enough man left me when they find out I used to sell twat, even though I don't sell twat anymore. They twat the for retirement funds. So when you come over, you come ball, I come talk about, oh, every birthday I'm always by myself. Who for problem that? You're supposed to happy if you be by yourself one day, you get a little pussy a breeze. Get the blood clot pussy a breeze, man. Get a little pussy a breeze. Right now, you look like you go die alone, you know. Cause no man now go, even if man go see you and say he no care what you do for your living, he not go trust you. He not go blood clot trust you. Cause when the man go pan blood clot TikTok and see all of the things and where you make your bottom lip run and go tell people, who a go trust you? It is not even about the job. It is not even about the job, cause you have man out there will love go-go, will love back road girl, will just love. They not care what you do for your living. But when you make your mouth be the death of you, who a go fucking trust you, bro? No, real talk. She chat too fucking much, bro, and she not realize so we're tired. We fucking tired. You come out here, come tell you, boy, nobody can bully you because you talk your truth. What truth? You sign up for be a fuck seller, get the job done. You get paid for suck the wood, lick the balls and blow bubbles in a batty hole. Get the job done. Don't complain, no. Where you go complain about the job for now you sign up for the job? It come like you go a restaurant, go sign up for dishwashing job. And when you realize that 400 dishes sitting there waiting you go say, then me have to wash all them dishes, yeah? Yes, pussy hole, cause I it you sign up for. You can't sign up for the blood clot job and then complain about the job. Who does that? Who does that? Sign up for your job. And then when it's time to do the job, you complain about the job. If Skillibeng even want to blow bubbles, get the bubbles blowing, ho. Blow that motherfucking bubbles, ho. You collect the money, right? The KFC and the Burger King was nice out of the money, right? The BBL and the tummy tuck was nice out of the money, right? Well, get on your motherfucking knees and blow bubbles, ho. Blow bubbles, you get paid for pussy clot. Blow bubbles in a batty hole. Blow bubbles, ho. Blow bubbles. What the fuck you complaining about? You never know your job description when you go fill out application. You never know what you were about to do. You come out here, come make it seem like so you apply for teaching a college, and when you look at batty hole, you have to blow in. I the impression that she give off, you know. She give off the impression like she go over Yui. She go over Yui. Go apply for your teaching job. And when she look, the owner of Yui skin out in batty hole and say blow bubbles. No, your job description is batty blowing bubbles. That is your job description. You don't take the man their money and go do body and money run out. Now you try like a extart. You try blood clot extart the man them. It feel like now, like a X-start, you try X-start them, you know. Cause them pay you take the money, go do body, now you come attack them secret pussy wall. Hey, you see you, girl, you make twat seller look like we a big bumbo clot in farmer, you know, girl. You make twat seller look like we a big bumbo clot in farmer. Yeah, make it big. And you make none of my front now sell, you know. A blood clot girl like you make my front now sell. Cause the man them now trust we. Are you slow down my process for my twat selling business? You are the cause why I can't get none of my customer them for come. Because when they go up on TikTok, them I say, no man, then I saw them blood clot twat seller you can chat. Eh? I saw them twat seller you can chat. Eh? Then I'll get like me know if me meet Skillibeng tomorrow. I want blow up bubbles in a batty hole, he not go trust me. Cause him go think me and you are the same thing. Him go think me and you are the same chat him out. Him go think me and you are the blood clot, same chat him out. A girl like you a fuck up a blood clot business. A girl like you a fuck up a blood clot business. Can you get paid for blood clot suck salt? You over the account seed. You get paid for suck salt, eh? Yeah, try kick Jacure while him down. The man behind these prison walls probably a play with 2 balls over there. Eh? The man in a hell. Jacure in a blood clot hell a doing time. Yeah, try kick the man when the man is down. Yeah, try kick the man when the man is down. Eh? We don't know where the man there in a jail a do right now to pussy clot. Eh? Probably a wash 2 man underpants and a brush off 2 clocks right now. And you take up yourself with Jacure story. Then you could give Jacure a pardon. Eh? Your sister the man is down and you try kick the man while him down. You try kick the man when the man down. Then you go come with the 2 little yai water. You go come with your 2 little yai water, eh? Me not surprised if me hear you call eye water name in one of your story them, you know. Cause it sound like you all of the Jamaican artists them a fucking a circle. Cause me no, you's a beautiful girl, but if me a artist, I wouldn't spend my money with you. Me I tell you the truth. Me see more beautifulest girl there Jamaica for spend money. I would. Me I tell you the truth. She's a very beautiful girl. But if me was an artist, and me a look girl for buy fuck from me, would be she. Cause there's more beautiful a girl there Jamaica. There is more beautiful a girl there blood clot Jamaica more than she. And if me a artist a spend money, me would try fuck no girl when no other artist fuck. Cause if one catch it, the whole of una blood clot catch it. The whole of una catch it. Cause one extra blood clot 20,000 and she take off condom. So the whole of una pussy clot catch it. It just shows say money no make happiness. Money no make happiness. No matter what we fucking do for this money, we never gonna be happy. Happiness is within yourself and finding yourself and finding peace. The girl have peace and they come like, me don't know if her belly she go dash way. Maybe I want old belly. Or maybe she analyze some, but something a go on differently in other girl your life, bro. Something the way how she act and react. She, Queenie and Annie have some form of spirit. We are play ding dong in a them ping pong cause something alright. You can't just get up every day so a ball. As some them in a tell us you don't pay rider, bro. She do something, I don't know if I want old belly, probably want 5-month belly. Something not right. That's why not good for that belly, you know. That's why no blood clot good for that belly. Me I advocate your breed, you carry it. Your breed, you carry it. Cause baby dopey no nice. Baby blood clot dopey no nice. I will never recommend nobody for go dash on a blood clot belly. Cause baby dopey, when baby dopey starts strike you, a everlasting strike. A everlasting blood clot strike. Cause you can't tell me say something no wrong with this girl. She possess something of a wrong, mama. Yeah, take flight. Yeah, catch plane. You say you have your own car. You say you just blood clot by your own house. What is there to be sad about? What is there to be sad about? Girl, we have them own house. Me see girl in a blood clot live in a foul cube. With 2 little zinc and 2 little board and nothing not happy like them. Oh, you feel sad. You have every artist for elephant man go straight down number and your phone go straight back. How you what make you sad? You nah no picnic. You nah no picnic. You nah no responsibility. All of your twat selling money go pa you going to your BBL. All of your twat selling money go pa your BBL. So what is really bothering you? Because me think me have a me idea. Me tell you the when me have in my head where bad are. She beautiful. She's a beautiful girl. We not take that from her. She's a beautiful girl. But I think that this girl think that because she know all of the artists them, because she make a video the other day I say the man them that she has been with regular girls who don't kill to been with them. Mama, you know much blood clot artists me sleep with? I mean no can't say nothing. Mama tell you what wrong with the girl. She make a video come talk about, oh, I see you hating girls that is hating on me because majority of the artists them women know only little groupie girls who don't kill on herself to be with. Mama, you think you're that girl. In your blood clot imaginary, you think you're that girl. But when you wake up in the morning time, reality hits you that you're all alone. Nobody wants you. When you wake up and you look left and look right, the house is empty. There is no children. There is no man. There is no friends. There is nothing. And you realize that all the twat that you have been selling and all the money that you have been making cannot bring you happiness. All the artists them where you have in your phone cannot bring you happiness. You have to go find happiness. Not even TikTok can bring you happiness, my girl. So when you come out of your ball and you do the most and then you go make video like you feel like no we over your bad mind, you for the artist them where you know. Go check for my blood clot page or you want me start real blood clot out. Bring the fastest man alive. Huh? Yeah, act like we're frightened for all of the blood clot pussy that you have been selling throughout your years. Yeah, make video about me see you know I try bring me down, but you know can't bring me down because the people them want me know and the places them and rare. I can't pick up my phone and call Kimani blood clot Molly right now, girl. The fuck wrong with you? Them girl always act like they the shits can nobody else not come out here come talk. I show because we blood clot militant. Yeah, you come act like you're the shits. Like you're that girl. When blood clot deep down in your soul, you're not that girl. You're a beautiful girl. You're very beautiful, lost in this world of twat selling. You're a beautiful girl that is trapped in your mind. You're trapped in the cage of your mind. You have to go seek help and seek counseling. I wonder if a papi cocky lick your chip. I wonder if I really papi, we are send out a message. Popcorn. I think you need to go back, go give mommy a I'm sorry fucking up, cause something not right. When she did that with Popcorn, she was the most joyfulest thing ever. She was the most joy. As soon as she and Popcorn break up, mama crash out. Mama take you out for every mama blood clot body I get punished. Everybody I get punished. If you go up on YouTube right now and watch our video, them when she and Popcorn did that. Or them a hide and fuck, cause it's not like Popcorn used to take her on trips and flights. She was the happiest thing. Now mama have some serious crash out. Mama, you're crashing out. Mama, you're writing off your BM in your mind. Something not right.